I'm going to give away whatever I make from today's trading session in this video. Okay guys, so we're going to trade live today for you. A lot of you have been asking to trade live. A lot of you in the Discord have been asking to trade live. So we're going to do some live trading today. And we're also going to give away whatever I make today to one of you guys. So stick around to the end. Whatever I make, I'll tell you exactly how you can enter for that. Other than that, let's get into it. Chf Jpy. What do we have going on here? Have a nice little downtrend. We are in a downtrend on the higher time frame as well. We had an uptrend happening here. We did break some structure here. So what I'll probably look for, okay, we should have entered up here and we're a little bit late. But I think we can enter right here because we did break this other new low here. So we'll probably take a sell actually right now. We'll put that there. We'll put our stops above here. And we'll take a sell actually on Chf Jpy there. So here we go, Chf Jpy. We're gonna go to the chart and we're gonna trade about 10, which is $100 per pip. And we're gonna take a sell on that. Cool. So we're just gonna look through some other pairs, see if we see any setups, anything that looks nice. So right now we're just quickly looking for breaks of structure. That's all we do when we look for trades. So for example, we have all these lows, like lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we just want to see like a break of a lower high or a higher low. That's all we're looking for. A recent one, right? So for example, here we had a break of this lower high here. Price came down, topped up and went down. But we're too late to these trades because these trades were pretty early, around 6 a.m. And right now, as I'm recording, it's about 8. So there's not too much going on right now for that. So good, nothing going on there, there. Okay, so we're here on Cad Jpy, and we do see same thing like Chf Jpy. We are actually in a uptrend this time. So on a trade like this, you know, we're looking for price to break like it did here, but unfortunately we're not going to take this trade just because we are still in an uptrend, and then we'll be taking a sell. Just trading against the trend, you have a lower probability of having a good trade when you do this. So I will not be looking for a trade on Cad Jpy. Okay guys, so we just closed all our positions and we came to the total amount of $2,004. So just gonna go over the trades I took real quick. This was our Chf Jpy trade that we took. This one was kind of quick because we did enter late. We were supposed to enter up here in the liquidity zone. This trade would have been a nice, bigger risk to reward, but since I entered late, I only wanted to get a really small amount. So for this trade, we just took a nice little 1-to-1 trade. I did end up taking a second position on this trade just because I knew it would at least reach down to this zone that we marked out here because of the resistance and the break of this trend. I did know it was going to come down there. So I took an extra trade. I was pretty confident in that. And then we did take a nice little trade on AUD JPY. This is also a really late trade. We were supposed to enter up here. So here I also took a nice little 1-to-1. It was a really small position, so I didn't have to worry too much about that. But yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give this away to one of you guys. So we've decided in the Discord, I asked you guys and you guys said you wanted to do 2 giveaways, $1,000 each. So this is how you apply for the giveaway. All you have to do, go down below, click on the broker. You're going to sign up with Hanko Trade. This is Hanko Trade. Make a live account, and I'm going to get my funds transferred into your account. So all you have to do is make a live account. Step 2, you're going to go to Discord, look in the announcements page, and there's going to be an enter giveaway section. All you do is click enter giveaway, put in your information. It's going to randomly select 2 people, and when it selects you guys, I'm going to ask for your account numbers, and I'm going to get that money transferred into your account. So simple as that. Anyways, thanks for watching.